Hi, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're going to go over our Form 8879 IRS e-file signature authorization signature request. After you click Get for Free in the Marketplace, you're going to come over here to Firm Templates and then Signatures, and you're going to open this signature template. Now, as you can see here, we have just a blank form, but as you scroll down, we have signatures set up for signer 1 and signer 2. This will only work if there is a signer 2 on the account. Otherwise, it will just work for the signer 1. To set this up, we chose signer 1 from our dropdown, and then we selected signature, and we came and we dropped it down in this spot, and date, and we dropped it down in this spot. Then we came down to this drop down again, and we selected signer 2, and we did the same thing for signature and for date. If you need to add your team member, you can also do that. When you come to sending the signature, you will be able to change the name on a team member to whoever's name it needs to be. As you can see here, there's a message set up for the client also. You can also change the date format if necessary. We're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit for our template. And now we're going to go over and send this signature request. So we're going to go ahead to our client, documents. The only documents under firm documents shared with client can be sent for signatures. We're going to click the 3 dots next to the document that we want to send for a signature. And we're going to click Request Signature. Now here you can see I have just a blank document. Looks exactly the same, except I don't have the signature request form on it yet. So we're going to go ahead and click Template, and then we're going to select the correct signature template, which is the Form 8879. And now you can see that it has requested, or it has added the request for those signatures. Signer 2 is not going to matter because it's not going to send to anybody. So in the end, it will not show up anywhere. As you scroll down, you have your team member. Now, if you click on this, you can easily change the team member name to one of your other team members. So you can change it to a manager name or the preparer's name, etc. And then if I click Insert, it's going to change that to say team member. Again, you can change your date format. You can set reminders, or you can add a message for the client, which we have already done for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us on the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.